Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to add a drop cap in Google Documents. A drop cap adds a dramatic effect to the beginning letter of a sentence in a chapter of a book and other writings. Drop cap is available in most word processing software. Open Google document that you need. Remove the first letter of the sentence that you need. Click on Insert at the top tools bar. Choose Drawing from the list. Click on New. A new window will open. Click on Actions at the top tools bar. Choose WordArt from the list. Type the letter that you need in the text box. Press Enter. The letter will appear in the window. You can format the letter to make it look better. Pull the corners of the border to resize the letter. Click on the Fill Color at the top tools bar and choose the color that you need. Click on the Line Color at the top tools bar. Choose the color that you want from the list. Click on the Dash Line Style and choose the one that you want from the list. You can change the line weight and the font if you want. Click on Save and Close once you're done. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!